Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very impressive move. And when you stop and think about the fact that just on Tuesday the price was all the way down there, now all of a sudden 1 day later the price is up there, any rational person would say, yeah, that's been a very impressive move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 265. Why is 265 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 265. If the price were to go down there and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that area of the chart that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price came down here, behaved like this, and then began to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this scenario? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward, and again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as 265. As far as levels of resistance going forward are concerned, it's all about the purple line here, the 50-period simple moving average, and that's an area that has the track record right now of acting as resistance. You can see a whole bunch of times there try to get above it. And there's been some instances where the price has actually gotten above it, but as far as the price staying up above it, that's where it's really struggled. So that without doubt is going to be question number one, or public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very impressive bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this bounce? Can the price, build upon this momentum going forward? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.